Why does your scanner show the P2769 engine code? What does it mean? P2769 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque converter clutch circuit low. The P2769 engine code for indicate. Your vehicle's transmission relies on a torque converter clutch, TCC, to lock the engine and transmission together at higher speeds, which improves fuel efficiency and performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty torque converter, clutch, damaged wiring or connectors, low or dirty transmission fluid, internal fluid leaks, defective transmission control module, TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Chevrolet, Hummer, Toyota, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.